You have to tell me what you have here, because we don't know. I know, but if someone watches the video, they don't know what this
Angry
is.
Bird cards.
Angry Birds cards?
Angry Bird cards.
And how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6, 7, 8. See?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
See?
But it's no one's birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yeah, my Mustafa told me.
Yeah. And are you eating tomato soup? Is it good? Who else likes tomato soup?
It's tomato soup.
It's tomato soup. Spoon, please. Look.
Politician.
So should we open the last two Angry Birds?
Now, where's that spoon? Where's that? Is it in my head? No.
I don't know where it is. It just disappeared. Where did it go?
It lost.
I think it's playing hide and seek. No. No. Spoon. Yay. But you're a lady. You can't do. You have to. You can't do that.
If I drink something, then I'll do burpees.
Ellie. Could you use your spoon, please? So how was gymnastics today? What did you do? Ellie. No. No. No.
I did already one.
You finished? Do you want some more? Look who's there. I just have two cats.
Why?
A grey one and a white one.
Why?
Because I like cats.
I like it also. I'm finished.
Yay! So do you want anything else? Do you want some... Okay, I'll get you some water. Do you want some corn? And...
Yeah!
Corn!
Yeah!
Yeah!